The Jubilee campaign team that toured Baringo County. Senator Gideon Moi was among those in attendance.
The Jubilee Brigade had roadside rallies in Kabarnet, Kabartonjo, Marigat and Eldamaravin, with President Uhuru Kenyatta selling his campaign agenda in the vast Baringo County.
Kabarnet jameni, tutakuwa pamoja. Tutatembea pamoja. Tutatembea pamoja. Tutajitokeza tarehe 8 mwezi wa 8. Hebu nione kwa mikono ni wangapi wanasema watajitokeza. Na huyu mjumbe wetu huyu na mama.
However, when Deputy President William Ruto began his address, the crowd in Chemolingo Tiaty Constituency was getting restless. Ruto was endorsing the Jubilee Party senatorial candidate Simon Chelugui, and the crowd started heckling him.
Na ule mungwana nyinyi mnajua huyo mungwana huyo? Huyo Chelugui anatosha ama atoshi? Atoshi! Chelugui huyo anatosha ama atoshi? Atoshi, atoshi!
And even when he tried to engage the crowd with the party slogan, the crowd's response was an implication that the DP should address the security situation in Tiaty instead.
Noza! Nikisema Harambe, tunasema Jubilee. Harambe! Harambe! Harambe!
But it appeared to be an individual issue rather than a party issue, because area member of parliament Asman Kamama, who is defending his seat on a Party for Development Reforms ticket, also got his fair share of the crowd's anger.
Deputy President wetu. Hakuna! Hakuna! No, 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 no! No, 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 no! No! Unataka kiuta kwanza! Kiuta tangulia kwanza! Kiuta kwanza! No, no, no! Kiuta kwanza! No, 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 no! No! Kiuta kwanza! Kiuta kwanza! Kiuta kwanza! No, no, no! Kiuta kwanza! Kiuta, kiuta! Kiuta, kiuta!
The people indicated that they preferred to be addressed by Simon Kiuta, the Jubilee candidate. While at Kabarnet, Ruto's AD Farouk Kibet seemed uncomfortable with the presence of Baringo Senator Gideon Moi at the podium. Moments later, after Gideon left the podium, William Ruto came forward to address the crowd. While addressing the crowd, Gideon Moi asked the president to create more job opportunities for the youth.
Nimesi rais, nikitembea hapa Baringo, kila pembe, mlio ya vijana ni ukosefu ya kazi. Ninakusii vile umesema kwa manifesto, utapatia hawa vijana kazi.
Gideon Moi will be defending his Baringo senatorial seat on a Kanu ticket.
All right, let's remind you of our big question tonight, and we're asking you whether you think the executive is justified in criticizing the judiciary's recent rulings. At It's Levi Prime on Twitter says the executive